students, welcome to online lecture of Mumbai International School and Junior College. This lecture is for class 2, subject English, chapter Unity is Strength. Children, today I'll tell you a story. The story name is Unity is Strength. Children, in this story, there was an old man who lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. Children, quarreling means to fight and have disagreements. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. One day, he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into 2. Children, one day, the old man called his 4 sons and gave them a bundle of sticks. Bundle means to tie up the things all together. Can you see in the picture? All the sticks have been tied up all together. It is called as bundle of sticks. The old man asked his sons to break the bundle of sticks into 2. It is so easy, said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. Children, eldest means the oldest or the biggest in age. So, the biggest son said that it is very easy to break the bundle into 2. He took the bundle and tried to break it, but the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. He used more force. He tried again and again, but the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. Children, as we can see in the picture, that the eldest son has used all his strength to break the bundle, but it did not break. At last, he gave up. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Children, here the other remaining sons also tried to break the bundle, but they could not break it. Their father smiled and asked them to untie the bundle. Children, untie means to open the bundle. Now, the sticks were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Children, as you can see in the picture, the old man gave a single stick to each son and asked them to break it into 2. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. Children, now all the sons tried to break the single stick into 2. And in no time means very easily and very fast, the sticks were bent and broken. The old man said, a single stick is easily broken. If four sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other, and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourselves and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick in that bundle. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall. Children, the old man explained his children that they must not fight with each other and be united. Children, united means to be together. If you keep fighting with each other, you will be as weak as the single stick. And if you are together, you will be stronger than any enemy. Children, the old man gave us a moral from this story. The moral is, united we stand, divided we fall. This time, the brothers learned a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. So children, this was all about the story, Unity is Strength.